Meanwhile, remember when Biden took office and he took America's oil reserves to fight inflation? He was selling the SPR. Well, Republicans are looking to refill it, and they want to do it fast while oil prices are still low. The proposed $1.3 billion, it's a push, aiming to strengthen energy security and reverse years of drawdowns. I imagine oil prices are actually going to go lower than this. And yes, we do have to refill those reserves. I mean, it just every time he would do that, it would make me cringe when he would take the barrels out. Lou, but at the end of the day, we've got to replenish those reserves. We got to drill more. We got to get prices down across the board, get our energy independence back,
There's a problem.
Strengthen our national security, and it goes on and on.
Prices can't go down from here. We can't, the producers of oil at $60 a barrel can't make money here. The Permian's gotten overbid. That's our biggest shale resource in the country. Diamondback CEO out in the last week saying these prices don't work for us. I was at Alex Epstein's Energy Freedom Conference with Lee Zeldin, a lot of other players, Governor Mike Dunleavy. $60 a barrel will not have drill baby drill expanding production.
I got to push back on that because...
So Permian break-evens are at 60. Prairie Operating was formed to go into Denver because our break-evens are around 40. That's the attractive.
I thought it was closer to 40.
Yeah,
no, so
well, I guess it depends on the region.
Full cycle returns, the acquisition cost for the land. So buying the land has now gone up. So, but you also have to remember this: shale gas. Most people don't understand this. Shale oil and gas depletes at anywhere from 30 to 50% per year each well. So, say you're producing 100,000 barrels a year. Next year, that production drops 30 to 50. Right. So just to maintain the 13 million or so barrels a day that we're producing domestically, we have to keep drilling. And unfortunately, we've used up all the easy, cost-effective inventory. Now we're drilling less valuable, harder to drill wells. Now we're going about 1.5 miles down to 3 to 4 miles lateral, which makes it even more expensive. So there's the balance here. Replenishing the SPR will help. I remember this headline that came from the Biden-Harris administration when they went out. They made a final purchase securing 200 million barrels at a good deal for the American taxpayer. You know what that good deal was?
How much was it?
$74.75.
Ouch.
So President Trump and the Republicans replenishing the SPR. It's about 64% below pre-COVID levels at $63 a barrel or $60 a barrel. Good move. We really need oil to be closer to 70 to maintain just status quo. We're energy independent. Otherwise, remember, manufacturing, this is a manufacturing play. We were a 10 million barrels a day net importer. Now we're 13 million barrels a day producer. That's going to be hard to maintain right now without any new shale discoveries.
Javier Blas, who is the well-known oil and energy columnist for Bloomberg, just to back up exactly what you're saying, he has a long opinion piece. At current prices, U.S. shale oil output has probably peaked.
Yeah.
He said, don't expect a rapid decline like the downturns of 2015 and 2020. Most likely trajectory is an undulating plateau. That's how he summed it up.
It's an unfortunate reality, but the price determines what happens in the markets for break-evens.
I just wish you did some homework on oil before you came here.
I tried to.
Have a little data next time, okay?